Hello everyone, my name is Prashanti. Today let's discuss about digital data representation. All the computers like supercomputers, mainframe computers, personal computers, servers, mobile devices and other embedded devices are digital computers. And digital computers are binary computers, which understand only two states. It's on state and off state. Off state is represented by 0, on state is represented by 1. All the data processed by binary computer should be in the binary form. When user gives the input for a program, the computer will ultimately converts the input to a binary form. And then computers process the data in the form of binary form and it will give the output in binary form. Again, computers will translate the output which is in the binary form to the form which is understandable by the user. This is how binary computers work. Bits and bytes. A bit is the smallest unit of data which a binary computer understands. It represented by ones and zeros. Bits are derived from binary digits. Binary means two digits. They are 0 and 1. If bits are grouped together, it forms large pieces of data. Byte. When 8 bits group together, it forms byte. You can see the bit and byte in the figure where 0 is a single, which is the smallest unit of data. 0 is a bit and 8 bits is called byte. Prefixes are used to represent large amounts of data. Here, abbreviation and approximate size to the prefixes are given in the figure where KB is kilobyte. Its approximate size is 1000 bytes. MB is megabyte and its size is 1 million bytes. GB is gigabytes and the approximate size is 1 billion bytes. TB is terabyte and its approximate size is 1 trillion bytes. PB is petabytes. Its approximate size is 1000 terabytes. EB is exabytes and its approximate size is 1000 petabytes. GB is zettabytes. Its approximate size is 1000 exabytes. YB is yottabytes. Its approximate size is 1000 zettabytes. Numbering systems and coding systems. Numbering system is the way to represent numbers. We have two numbering systems, decimal numbering systems and binary numbering systems. In decimal, which represents the number 10, it is used to represent like 10 symbols. They are from 0 to 9. And it represents all possible numbers. Binary numbering systems uses only two symbols, as binary means 2. It represents only two symbols. They are 0 and 1. And it represents all possible numbers. In both systems, the position of each determines the power and exponent, to which the base number is 10 for decimal, 2 for binary. Let's see an example for numbering, how to work with numbering systems. Consider the number 101. In decimal form, the base will be 10 and the powers will be raised from 0 to 2 based on its position. And it will be raised from 0 and based on the position, and they are added. As 101 is 3 digits, we have the powers from 0, 1 and 2, as it has 3 positions. And we'll go from right to left where 10 power 0, as power starts with 0 and the base will be same. which is 10 for decimal form, and 10 power 0 is multiplied with 1, and 10 power 1, it is raised from right to left, so it's 10 power 1 for middle position, and is multiplied with middle number 0, and for the from last digit, which is 1, it is multiplied with 10 power 2, which is 100 plus 0. 0 into anything is 0 plus 1. So it is ultimately 101 in decimal form. For the same number to represent in binary form, for binary form the base is 2. So, and the power will be raised by its position from right to left. So 2 power 0 multiplied with 1, last digit. 2 power 1 multiplied with 0, middle digit. 2 power 2 is multiplied with 1. Then it gives 2 power 2 is 4 into 1 4 plus 0 is anything. If 0 is multiplied with anything, the result is 0. And 2 power 0 is 1. 10 power 0 is also 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 1. The result in binary form for the same number is 5. If you have one more number at the left, if it's 1, then the power will be raised to 10 power 3 into 1 plus. So you have to add up all these numbers, it will form. So this is the formula. Hope you understand. Digital data representation. We have another coding system which is used to represent text-based data. Text-based data uses two coding systems, ASCII and Unicode. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is traditionally used with personal computers, and it is a 7-digit code. The ASCII code is commonly 7-digit code, but we have 8-bit code extended for ASCII. Extended versions of ASCII has 8-bit code, which contains code for additional symbols. And 8-bit code can represent 256 characters, which is like 2 power 8 characters, which is 256 characters. It is limited to only Latin alphabet used with English language. It is limited to Latin alphabet. And we have Unicode. Unicode is universal standard to represent text-based data. For ancient or modern language, Unicode can be used with Chinese, Greek, Hebrew, and other languages. It uniquely identifies each character using zeros and ones. The longer code, which is 1 to 4 bytes, which is 8 to 32 bits per character, and it can represent over 1 million characters. It is used worldwide with consistent results, like unambiguous results. These figures show the ASCII code for each character. For example, it is 8-bit code, 8-bit ASCII code. Consider for A, the code, ASCII code for A is 01000001. So the number is in the form of binary form. So if you calculate the number for A, it gives 65, where we have 5 zeros. If 0 is multiplied with anything, it gives 0. So we have 1 in 7th position. If it is 7th position, as the power starts with 0, 1 is in 7th position, so it is 2 power 6. 2 power 6 into 1. which is 2 power 6 is 64, and at 0th power we have 1. 2 power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 64 is 65. So the ASCII code for A is 65, which is represented, if it is represented in binary form, it is 01000001. The ASCII code for the symbols and for the numbers is given in this figure. And Unicode can be used with the languages Chinese, Greek, Hebrew and other languages. And many characters can be represented in Unicode. Let us go through the quick quiz. First question. Another way to say 1 million bytes is, we have seen the abbreviations, prefixes to represent the large amount of data. The options are 1 kilobyte, 1 gigabyte, 1 megabyte. We have seen 1 kilobyte equal to 1000 bytes, 1 gigabyte equal to 1 billion bytes, 1 megabyte equal to 1 million bytes. So the correct answer is 1 megabyte. True or false question. ASCII code is the universal standard used to represent text-based data written in any ancient or modern language. We have seen ASCII code is American standard, and ASCII code is limited to Latin alphabet, which can be used with English language. But Unicode is universal standard and it is used to represent in any ancient and modern languages in Chinese, Hebrew, Russian and so on. So it is false. Universal standard is Unicode. American standard is ASCII code. The dash numbering system is used by computers to perform mathematical computations. We have two numeric numbering systems, decimal and binary numbering systems. The computers will perform most of the computers are binary computers. So we have seen the binary numbering systems. Computers will perform mathematical computations, or it will process in binary form. So the binary numbering system is used by computers to perform mathematical computations. These are the answers for the quiz. This is for today. Thank you.